Hi, I'm Mrs. Latterback, and I'm going to run you through the hands-on portion of the lab today. So our investigation question today is whether or not different substances can change into another substance. So right here, I've got some calcium chloride, and I have sodium carbonate. And what you first want to do is make observations of the materials in your Google slide, which will be slide 10 on your Amplify notebook. The more properties you observe and details you record, the more evidence you have later on when we can see if substances change into different substances. Okay? Different substances sometimes share some common properties, like for instance I could say that both of these substances are white materials, but you want to look at specific details. This one is a little bit granular, little tiny spheres, while this looks more powder-like. Okay, so what I did is I mixed these different substances with water, and I dissolved them into water. All right, so I have my 15 milliliters of calcium chloride and my 15 milliliters of sodium carbonate, and I would make my observations again. After they dissolved, they look very similar to one another. They're both clear liquid solutions. I can see through them. It's hard to distinguish which one is calcium chloride and which one is sodium carbonate. What I'm now going to do is I'm now going to mix them together into the same cup, and I'm going to see what might take place. Okay? And I'm actually going to swirl it a little bit to cause the mix there. I don't know how well you could see, but it's cloudy now after I mix. So it went from clear solution to a cloudy mixed solution in the process. So something did change in this. It almost looks gel-like even as well. Instead of liquid water, it kind of has that gel-like appearance to it. So something did happen in this reaction. So now you need to look closely and figure out what might have taken place, and you'll do that in the simulation following slide 11.